Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply for international qualification assessment for your New Zealand visa. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, first of all, again I would like to clarify for some time that neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So whatever I do in this video is based on my analysis and research. So don't consider it legal information at all, and if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys. So guys, when you apply for New Zealand visas, like let's say New Zealand permanent residence and other things, you need to get your foreign qualification or international qualification assessed. This is similar to ECA in Canada, right? So in New Zealand this is called IQA, International Qualification Assessment. So I have opened this NZQA, New Zealand Qualification Authority, the government body to do this, and you can see that how you can apply for IQA. So I'm going to apply for an IQA. So here you can see what you are applying. You can check that if you need IQA, in most of the cases you need, and what are the documents you need. You need passport, biodata page, evidence of name change, award certificate, if award certificate, degree certificate, a full transcript, academic record, mark sheet, syllabus required if applicable, okay. And for other things you can read it, it depends upon your situation. Fee and payment and apply. So what is the fee? I don't know, let's see. Standard IQ 445 New Zealand dollars. Oh, it's a huge amount of money. Appeal, if you do appeal, then 765. But we have to do, right? No problem. We have to, if you are going for. So apply for an IQA. I click on it. So the very first thing to apply for IQA under Qualification Recognition Service is to create an account. Okay. So let's say this is your first time, so click on create an account here. Email address, password, name, first name, last name mandatory, date of birth, phone number, town, city, and then create account. So I'm gonna do it in a sample way. So in the next page you get this authorized contact, where if you want somebody to authorize to contact QRS then on your behalf, then like your family member, friend, agent, you can put their details, but if not, you don't have to. Preferred contact, applicant, your email address, okay. Now identify documents, scan of your passport, upload color scan of your passport, biodata, black and white copies cannot be accepted. If you have changed your name, then put that document, but that's not mandatory. So I know passport, biodata page is required, okay. So I'm going to just put some sample and then we'll go to the next section to see what comes next. So I just uploaded one, that's why. Now upload a color scan of your passport biodata page, okay. I'm going to do a sample for there as well. Okay, so both have been uploaded. I'm going to click on save. So I managed to register and now I see the link. This is the name that I used, and start a new application. Okay, so I click. Okay, now here you have to select actually which one you want to apply. Standard IQA for one qualification, skill shortage list IQA, teaching IQA, overseas study assessment. Okay, so let's see if I want to apply this. I'm not sure if they're going to ask me for the payment in the next page. Okay, fine. So here you got to put all the details, information, and in the next screen you're going to upload the files, and then finally you're going to pay the fee, and then you're going to get an email. So I'm not going to go to that end because I'm not going to pay for a sample application, and you guys know the reason, but I can walk you through some of this screen. So let's go through. Country of award, let me put India. You can see here, come here, I select India. Here you go, India, select. Come. Awarding organization, if not listed, in the next, if not listed, enter in the next field. Okay, so some colleges, which one should I use, guys? Let me do IIT, right? Very known, but I have not studied from IIT, guys. Yes, this is how it looks, and there are so many pages. Let me see if I search Indian. University of Shibpur, this is in West Bengal. Guwahati. Okay, I'll select this. But I haven't studied at such a prestigious institution. Awarding organization. So campus address, I'll put some random course of study. Okay, let me do. So now I have come to qualification, bachelor's degree, right? Let me see if there are more options. No. Okay, name in English. Okay, they have asked everything, start date, in date. Wow. So I put some random and sample values. You don't do that. Details of qualification you completed after secondary school and before graduation you have submitted. Please include the following details. So you have to put the details, although these are not mandatory fields, but you enter as they have asked. And they have also asked for internship, in-plant training, credit transfer. So do all that. The next screen it says, was it done before 1998? If yes, there is additional fee, but not in this case. But if in your case it does, then do it. And I clicked on next. So now here comes the documents that you're gonna attach. Okay, award certificate, official transcript, receipt, award certificate. Okay, so I'm just gonna do mandatory fields. Okay, because this is a sample video, and then I'm gonna come down and click on next. And guys, you can add multiple files here. Just want to show you, and then click on save. Okay, so I've filled all the mandatory fields. Now I click on next. It is saying that please check all the details. If you need to make any changes, make it here. Okay, so it's a good place to verify. Then click on next. I'm doing it because sample. Anyway, I'm not going to pay the fee, guys, please. And then you need to confirm here and click on next. So I won't go from here because next they will ask for the fee, and you can see what I have attached, sample, and I'm not going to pay the fee. So I'm ending this video here, but I think you have got all the idea how it works. So thanks for watching this, guys, and please subscribe to the channel.